Germany is set to deliver 6,000 cutting-edge HX-2 attack drones equipped with artificial intelligence to Ukraine as part of a major defense initiative. The German defense company Helsing has already built its first mass production facility, which currently boasts a production capacity of over 1,000 units per month. The HX-2 is a loitering munition, commonly known as a Kamikaze drone, designed to patrol designated areas and autonomously seek out and attack targets. Its advanced AI allows it to operate effectively even under electronic warfare conditions, navigate without GPS, and perform reliably in low-visibility situations. Despite its autonomous capabilities, the drone still keeps critical decisions under the control of an operator, ensuring a balanced integration of technology and human oversight. Weighing just 12 kilograms, the HX-2 can reach speeds of up to 220 kilometers per hour and has a flight range of up to 100 kilometers. It carries a versatile payload capable of delivering multi-purpose, anti-tank, and anti-structure munitions. This combination of features not only enhances precision strikes but also minimizes risks to personnel, marking a significant shift in modern warfare. To meet the rising demand for advanced unmanned systems, Helsing plans to expand its production capacity by setting up additional facilities across Europe, aiming to boost output to 10,000 units per month. This rapid scaling of production could play a decisive role in enhancing defense capabilities on the modern battlefield. Stay tuned for more updates on this revolutionary military technology.